One time after coming home from a basketball game, I had the worst, scariest, and chilling sleep paralysis. Common naman sa akin maka-experience ng sleep paralysis since grade 1 pa ako nakaka-experience ng ganito. And through the years, I learned how to control it. But one time I was so exhausted talaga na from school diretso ako kama and I forgot how to do the usual hygiene routine. I slept at around 10 p.m. and namulat na ako tapos hindi na ako makagalaw. This was different from my previous sleep paralysis because this time I was alone. I usually sleep with dogs beside me, but this time, minalas ako. I was in the bed, and beside the bed is my black gaming chair slanted. Sinasabi ko sa sarili ko na isara ko na lang mata ko and wag na buksan kasi never pa ako nakakakita ng figure sa sleep paralysis ko. When I closed my eyes, I opened it and still see the lights open sa room ko. I could see clearly and nothing. I kept thinking na wala akong makakita. But at the same time, baka meron kasi wala nga akong kasamang aso. The time I opened my eyes for the third time, I saw a black lady who replaced the black gaming chair, standing and looking down with long black hair. That time, I really stopped myself from opening my eyes kasi baka gumalaw siya and be more closer than where she was. I only thought of praying inside my head, and so I did. Holy Mary, Mother of God. Then she prayed along with me with a young girl's voice and a foreign accent, and I really got scared that time. I stopped praying, but her voice still continued the prayer. Even though I stopped, I was so shocked and the only thing that I could do was let her finish the prayer. Then after her I prayed the prayer again. But thankful that this time I finished the prayer by myself. Afterward the encounter and I never slept alone again. Now, I sleep alone in my dorm, constantly finding a K-sleep call everywhere, because I think I can never learn how to sleep alone again.